We are more alike than we are different. We are more alike than we are different. Another way to say it is unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. And I want to emphasize on that. I want to emphasize on that because our war is so polarized. Our war is so hard these days to understand, and everybody seems to want to be in their own little cliques and not welcome each other, not too many political things that we don't want to talk about. But at the same time, there is so much beauty in diversity. There's so much beauty in diversity. We can talk about all the negatives that are in diversity. We can talk about all the ills that have happened because of our differences and people that have not appreciated our differences and respected our differences. But at the same time, if we look at it carefully, there is so much beauty in diversity. So let's recognize and celebrate the differences while focusing on our common humanity. We as people, we share so many similarities, and let us continue to share the similarities. Let us continue to find common ground. Let us continue to find common ground, even though we are so different in many ways. Let's not only focus on the difference. When we see a difference, let's see how we can celebrate that difference instead of letting that difference tear us apart. Yeah. So let's move beyond binary thinking. You versus me, us versus them, that party versus that party, that country versus that country, that people group versus that people group. Not saying it's none of these things are bad per se, but at the same time, we can always find something negative if we look in something that we could be celebrating. Diversity, especially if you are somebody that is in the Christian realm that believes that in heaven there will be all people from all walks of life. Then why is it that we're not doing the work right now on earth so that when we are in that place where the people of all walks of life, we will just be celebrating? So if you're a Christian, I truly, truly challenge you to see beyond the differences that divide us and look at the differences that unite us. If there are differences like past histories that are dividing us, maybe if you're from one side that hurt the other, maybe not you in per se, please don't take this to heart and feel that you have to feel guilty. No, we have to learn from the past. We have to learn from the mistakes of our ancestors. We have to learn from the people that came before us, our ancestors again, and do better. Let's do better. Let's do better. So I'm not saying that you should go and wallow around in guilt from the events of the past. I'm saying learn from the events of the past and grow. And let's do better. Right? All right.